Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Microsoft PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 has a great update coming out. You'll soon be able to edit your speaker notes while you're presenting in slideshow view. You can always edit your notes when you're not in slideshow view. I'm on slide 1 and down below here are my speaker notes. And I'm sure you already know this, but you can resize your speaker note panel while you're in here working. There is slide 2. 2 notes for me down below, and here is slide number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and start the slideshow. Either the F5 function key will start it, or you can go to slideshow from beginning, and there's also an icon in the bottom right hand corner you can click. I'm going to just go to slideshow from beginning, and it even shows you the F5 function key. So I'm in slideshow right now. I only have one monitor running. If I had 2, I could see my speaker notes on the second monitor, but I've got one monitor running. So I'm going to pull up my speaker notes. So right click, show presenter view. There is the slide Atlanta that everyone's currently viewing. Over to the right is the next slide that's going to come up. So I just get a quick view of it. It even says next slide. But here are my speaker notes for this slide. I'm going to right click the word Atlanta, go to font. I'm going to make this font bold. I'm just testing this. Bold, and that works. And let's put it in a green and hit OK. The green didn't work, but everything else worked. It is larger, and it is, I'm going to highlight restaurants. Control B on the keyboard is bold, and I'm bolding and unbolding right there. I think Italics may work. Yep, Control I and Control U is underline. All that is working. Cool feature, able to edit your speaker notes while you're in a slide here. I would really use this myself. I can see me using this when people start asking me a lot of questions. I could just keep up with them in my notes section here. I would call that questions. Lose the bullet, highlight it, make it bold, and then start putting my questions down below here to follow up with them after I'm done. It works on all the slides that you have speaker notes for, and again, if you end up with a slide that doesn't have any, whoops, back one time, you can just start adding them from scratch. Cool feature, at least to me it is. Also, quick tip, if you're wondering how in the world, if I've got one monitor, can I see this view in Zoom while my participants, when I'm sharing my screen and my participants, I just want them to see the slide called economy. Check this video out in the top right hand corner. I'll also put a link down below. Let me know what you think about this feature. It hasn't rolled out to you yet, but it should be out soon. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.